Hey guys, we are just so happy over the last couple of weeks that we were at least able to have socially distant guests in the studio. It's a crazy time, but yeah, socially distant guests in the studio. And today, as you have just seen, our COVID Chronicles special guest was none other than our international groovy soca monarch, college boy Jesse.
Thanks for having me, man.
I didn't congratulate you because I ain't see you since Carnival.
I appreciate it, man.
Congratulations. I know it was a difficult period of adjustment and refocusing and that kind of thing.
Of course.
But you're on your feet and we will get through this.
Yeah.
We'll get through this.
Yeah.
And we had to eat.
Of course.
So we're rolling out another recipe to close the show off, guys. This one that I'm doing for Jesse, I hope he's a provision man. He's a provision man. I like him already. We're calling this one a roasted chimichurri provision dish. Chimichurri, because I have chef friends.
Yeah.
It's important to have chef friends. One of my good chef buddies is Chef Jason Huggies. And he's done a range of sauces and jams and that kind of thing. This is a chimichurri called a chef palette, and it's chimichurri. It's all sorts of lovely flavors in there. He has red wine, vinegar, oregano, garlic, paprika. It's just a nice flavorful, real nice flavor. Yeah, so this is really the base of what we're doing. I have been eating a lot of provisions because I'm trying to go complex carbs and trying to cut off all the bad carbs. So here, really simple, guys. I parboiled, didn't overcook it. Parboiled some dasheen, sweet potato, green fig, and I have some onions here. So this is the real deal here. And I just want to get that in a nice big bowl, everything in there. Kind of just mixed everything together, make sure it kind of mixed. And I'm going to season this up. I start with salt and pepper. And provisions is that kind of thing. It's kind of hearty, so you could season liberally. You mind a little spice, College?
Yeah, of course.
All right. So I get a little heat. I have a slight pepper, guys. So, but some chili flakes. I have some chili flakes. This is a combination of oregano and basil. Dried oregano, dried basil. It's kind of complementing the chimichurri that we'll put in there by Chef Palette from Jason Huggies. I like to support the local brands. That's a local brand, local chef. And this is some sliced garlic. I add that in there. And this is I kind of want to mix. I just want to keep making sure all the ingredients coated as I go along. So kind of mix that in there. And then I can add the chimichurri. So I want a fork. And I just really want about 2 to 3 heaping forkfuls that I will add. 1. Let's see how that goes. So this chimichurri, as I said, lots of flavor. It's fantastic on like meats, steaks, seasoning, chicken. It kind of gives it a little different flavor. You know, like you put some chili green seasoning in it.
Yeah.
It has a little different flavor sometimes. Nice little different flavor. So that's it. And very, very simple. It's all about quick and easy dishes, guys. Quick and easy. That's the theme. In the kitchen, out the kitchen, and you're eating.
Fast food in the kitchen.
Fast food in the kitchen. So at this stage, I have a grease dish that I can just make sure you grease your dish, guys. Otherwise, things will stick and not be nice. And I can just kind of evenly pour. One of the key things with this, so I have a small dish here. I kind of was trying to average. You want this one layer. If you overpack it, the provisions won't roast. It will start to steam. You want the roast, you want the provisions to get a nice little char in the oven. So just before this goes in the oven, I want to just sprinkle a little olive oil just to keep it nice and moist in the oven while it roasts. This goes in the oven for no more than 25 to 30 minutes. Allow it to roast, get nice and crispy. And in the oven that goes. I actually have one that has been roasting, Jesse. Magic of cooking on TV. One roasting. When you have a good team behind you, that's been roasted. The dish is not finished yet. I just want to add some salmon. So this is almost like a one dish, because so you have protein, you have some nice, good, complex carbs, and it's a nice one dish that you can whip up. Lunch, move on, go in studio and make a next song. Right? that's basically it. I have some salmon, I kind of held back just squeezing some lime on the salmon because when you add that citrus to the seafood. So I just want to add at the last minute, juice of one lime, just to the salmon so it freshens it up nicely. Mix that together there. I season the salmon with the same basic seasonings that I would have put in here.
Okay.
Salt, pepper, the mixture of basil and oregano, and I had some chili flakes in here. So same flavor profiles, kind of just going straight in here. I just want to get that in there. Think about it, from the time the salmon hits the hot provisions, it starts to cook. Salmon doesn't take long to cook, and it won't be finished without a little luxury. I have some good old cheddar cheese. You can use mozzarella, you can use any kind of cheese that you have. Don't make that a problem. Sprinkle some nice little cheese on that. This goes back in the oven for 10 minutes. And when it comes out, 10 minutes, count their college. Jesse, I think we're ready. We're ready. So just about 10 minutes, as I said. And this is smelling and looking fantastic. So this is our one dish. This is our one dish. Very, very simple. Quick and easy is the word I tell you. Because just like that, we can serve Jesse up protein, some carbs, and he can eat. And as I said, be very satisfied. And he cool just like that.
Fast food in 10 minutes.
Fast food, you understand? And healthy too,
Of course, this is essential. Provision, fish, essential food, man.
Everything that you possibly have. And I could just plate up. I just want to make sure you get some salmon, green fish. I'm a sweet potato man, so I love a sweet potato. And I just plate this up nicely. Just see how that look?
Proper, man.
And I just, a little garnish. Make it look pretty now. Just a little parsley. And my brother, enjoy.
This is my favorite part.
This is your favorite part. Food for Monarch. Chimichurri. Roasted chimichurri provisions with salmon.
Yeah, man.
That was a face of satisfaction. I want to thank college boy Jesse for dropping by and sharing his story, my brother. Thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you very, very much.